It's like 15 inches of snow out here, B.
Yo, I wish so we could just snow people shit.
What happened?
I said I wish so we could snow people shit.
I ain't snowing people nothing. Yo, it's crazy. Shit. I'm over here, yo, over here walking like I'm crippled. Oh. Watch him out, bitch.
Hello, planet, my dad. She gave you good shit. Come back, come back.
Wait. How is the Chinese restaurant closed, but they still delivering?
Niggas is, I think.
Oh, look at this shit. And these niggas still. It's crazy.
Niggas don't got no fucking socks or anything. I mean, no mittens or anything.
It's over here. It's like 15 inches of snow in New York, yo. This shit is crazy. Yo, they made sure this shit was valid. I'm about to go back home. Now I'm about to take my ass back home, B. Over here. Over here, on Elder. It's over here. Yo, I can't even see, you can barely see that car down there. There was a fucking war out here. It's a war out here. Oh! Alright. Yeah, I'm out, man. Make sure y'all subscribe. Show some love.